Welcome to today's webinar on understanding die casting machine Platens. We talk about the function, maintenance, and safety considerations. I'm your host, Bharat Sharma, and I'm thrilled to have you all here today. And if you are wondering whether Platen are some sort of new superhero squads, so don't worry, we'll uncover their secrets together. Before we jump into the exciting world of Platen, let's quickly glance at our agenda for today's session. We'll explore the introduction to die casting machine Platens, their function and role, maintenance tips, safety consideration, and of course, wrap things up with the fun and question answer sessions. Now, let's demystify these platens. These may not be flashy as caps or utility belts, but they are essential component of die casting machine. Platen are those big platens that provide support for the machine loads and keep everything in place during the die casting process. They are like the steady foundation of our die casting universe. Now, time to meet the Platen superhero squad. In this corner, we have a mighty stationary Platen located at the short end of the machine. Its mission to hold the stationary die half and provide a rock solid platform for the die. Talk about stability. On the other hand, moving Platen is the agile member of the team. It slides back and forth between the stationary and rear Platens, carrying the moving or ejector half of the die. It's like graceful dancer opening and closing the die during the casting process. Smooth moves, moving platen. And let's not forget about the adjustable or rear platen. The unsung hero at the back, it may be not be in the spotlight, but it plays a crucial role in accommodating die height adjustment. It's like a flexible yogi of the platens, you can say, adapting to different situations. Now let's talk about keeping these platen in tip-top shape, just like superhero needs their occasionally tune-ups. Our platen needs some maintenance love too. Cleaning is a key. Yes, cleaning is a key. We want those platen to shine bright like the sun. Regular cleaning, especially of the die mounting surface, ensure parallel die parting lines and efficient heat transfer. It's like giving them a spa day. And let's be gentle with our platens. We don't want them to get all dressed up. Careful setup, operation, and prevent damage, especially in those T-slots and tap holes used for clamping the die. Let's handle them like a delicate razor. Time to put on our safety caps and fly through the words of die casting machine Platen. Safety is not joke. Be aware of hazards. Those Platen can get hot, especially during hot chamber operations. So let's keep our hand and other sensitive body parts away from them. Safety first, cool burn second. Watch out for strike and snag hazards. The moving platen can be little misbehaved and anything sticking out from the platen can cause a snag. Let's make sure we have a proper guarding and follow safety protocols. No caps getting caught, please. So we have covered a little bit about this platen, but I'm sure you are uh, teaching to ask some warming questions. So please comment your question. So we'll definitely answer your question. And thank you all for joining today. Return Adventure, where we uncover the function, maintenance, and safety in brief. Um, I hope you had a much fun as I did. If you have any more questions, so comment us. We'll definitely cover. So keep learning till that. Thank you. Thank you very much.